There's Commanderets. Chesty Puller here with a quick update video on the VK 50s. And with everything costing so much thorium right now, for me, I'm just, I don't know, I just dread doing 80s, and the 65s are a little bit of work, and I don't know, it's just, so I've been doing the 50s lately, and they're a little bit more fun for me. The 65s and the 80s, they're not so much fun. You do get 15 million from the 65s, but these give 5 million, and you can do them so quickly in one hit, less than one hit. So I don't know. I just been doing these lately. They're more fun for me. I still do the 65s, and every now and then I'll do an 80, but I don't like the 80s at all anymore, and they're just monotonous to me. Anyway, I'm sorry, this won't work if you don't have a Omega Titan. So if you got the Omega, this will work. Essentially, you just drive around and you stop when the Talons come out. Kill the Talons, and then just drive around and let your bomber squadron kill as much as it can, and then which is basically everything. Sometimes it even kills the storms, sometimes it even kills the CC. I don't try for that because I don't want to get too close to the storms, and I don't want to get too close to the CC, but for the most part, just kill the turrets and so forth around the base. Now, something hit me there, and I had a flame on my flame icon on my Titan, so I just retreated it. And when you retreat something, if you get a corrosion or a flame icon on your unit, if you retreat it, it stops the corrosion and it stops the flame. I don't know what hit me because I was really far away from everything over there, but excuse me, something got my Titan and put a flame on me. I assume it was a I don't know, maybe a hover. With the lag here, sometimes you really can't see because things aren't always where they appear to be. So again, I'm just going around. I was trying to get the defense silo there, in which I usually can get the defense silo, but I was happy to just get that final power plant. So you shouldn't take a hit on your unit if you do this right, and your unit should clearly be able to get rid of the storms without too much of a problem. And if I hit that, it'll probably take it out, but I just wanted to not take a chance. Usually one hit will take that CC out, but so I distracted with my Titan. So 5 million plus a little bit of extra thorium. I don't know what the extra thorium is. I think it's $500,000. So that's it for now, guys. I hope this was helpful. Have a good one out there. Good luck on the event. See you next time. Some not